there is such a disconnect nowadays between our body and the food that we eat because we've become so reliant on other people telling us what's good for us instead of listening to our body and being taught from a young age that, hey, what is this doing for your body? How is it making you feel? When you're eating this, what reaction are you feeling in your gut, in your mind, in every part of your being? How is it affecting you? And so what's happened is we've listened to the voices of so many other people about, oh, this salad is the best salad you've ever had in your life. It's going to make you feel amazing. You should eat it every single day. You eat the salad, it upsets your gut. No, but this person said, it's the best salad in the world. I have to keep eating it. It's going to give me 6-pack abs. It's going to, it's going to give me all the things that I need. 3 days in, oh my gosh, my gut is hurting so much, but I'm still going to keep eating it. So your body starts whispering at you. Then it starts shouting, and then it just plain screams out at you. And how does it show up? Your physical ailments. You start aching, your body pains, your skin flares up. If you're not getting the right nutrients, your hair will start changing or shedding, whatever it is, our physical body starts telling us signals from the moment it doesn't like something, from the moment something is harming us.